welcome to Law Seekho. Let's talk about the top 10 news developments for the day under 2 minutes for judiciary aspirants. Let's start with the national news first. So, Niti Aayog has signed a joint letter of intent with the World Intellectual Property Organization. This is done under its Atal Innovation mission to develop programs which focus on innovation, entrepreneurship, and intellectual property for countries in the global south. These are the countries that India wants to share its success in innovation models with because they are on the same development growth as our own country. Moving on, Tata Advanced Systems Limited and Airbus Helicopters, they've signed a contract to establish the final assembly line for H-125 helicopters in India. Please understand, this is the very first time that Indian private sector, it has set up the helicopter assembly line for producing this sort of helicopter models for India and for neighboring region. Next is an update from Telangana. So the Chief Minister for the state is planning to set up an education commission to address issues related to education. Next is an important update. So the Chief Economic Advisor for India, V. Anantha Nageswaran, he has criticized the developed countries for their double standards when it comes to combating climate change. He said that while UN Convention and Paris Agreement, it mandate that these nations lead in mobilizing resources and finances for climate action, they've fallen short of the same. And also, these developed countries, having benefited from fossil fuel-based growth, they are now pushing for stringent emission cuts when it comes to developing countries. Moving on, so Meghalaya has launched its own OTT platform which is called Hello Meghalaya, and this is done to sort of promote musicians and artisans when it comes to cinema from the state. Now let's start the international news developments with strained relationship between India and Turkey. So Turkey has entirely stopped selling military equipments to India, which is a major buyer of arms globally. Moving on, scientists at the University of Tokyo, they've successfully attached living skin tissues to robot faces, thereby enabling them to smile. Now we have sports related updates. So the International Olympic Committee Executive Board, it has recently announced that Abhinav Bindra, who is India's first individual Olympic gold medalist, he will be awarded the Olympic Order for his outstanding contribution to the Olympic movement. India's veteran goalkeeper, P.R. Shrijesh, he announced his retirement from international hockey after the Paris Olympics, which is set to begin from 26th of July. Now, let's end the segment with an important day. So, the day concerned is the National Broadcasting Day, which is marked on 23rd of July every year to honor the birth of organized radio broadcasting in India by establishing the Indian Broadcasting Company on 23rd of July back in 1927. That's all we have for the day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.